Hi everyone, today I will show you an updated guide on how to make Yupoo account easily in 2025. Let's have a look into it. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the steps properly. Step 1. Visit the registration page. Head over to Yupoo's official registration page to get started. Step 2. Enable JavaScript. Before proceeding, make sure JavaScript is enabled in your browser. Yupoo needs it to work properly. Step 3. Choose a registration method. Yupoo lets you sign up using third-party accounts like Weibo or QQ. Pick whichever method suits you best. Step 4. Fill out the registration form. Enter your username, create a password, and fill in any other required details. Step 5. Verify your phone number. Here's where it gets tricky. Yupoo may ask for a Chinese phone number to verify your account. If you're outside China, you've got two options. Check forums for workarounds. Some users have shared alternative methods online. Use online SMS services. There are sites that offer temporary Chinese phone numbers for verification. Just be cautious. These aren't always reliable or secure. Step 6. Finalize registration. Once you've verified your number and completed all fields, submit the form. That's it. You're done.